Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem. So the one that I'm going to be working through today is part of the hashing and mapping, arrays and hashing section of LeetCode's Blend 150. Blend 150. So this is LeetCode 347 top k frequent elements. So given an array nums, or an integer array of nums, and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order. Example 1, nums is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 3. So the top two most frequent elements, so 1 appears 3 times, 2 appears 2 times, so those are the two most frequent elements. Okay? And here, k is equal to 1 because, well, 1's the only element in here. Okay. K is in the range 1 to the number of unique elements in the array, so it won't ask you if there's like one element in the array, it won't ask you for the top 3 most frequent. That's what that means. It's guaranteed that the answer is unique. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I'm assuming it means there's not going to be like it's not going to be like 1, 2, 3, and then it's going to ask you what the top 3 elements, because they're they're all of the, or the top 2 for instance, or the top 1, because there is no most frequent out of those. They're all the same. They all appear the same amount in the array. So I think that's what that means. Each number is going to be less than or equal to 10 to the power 4, greater than or equal to minus 10 to the power 4. Don't really need to worry about that. I think that's not really constraining to worry about. And the length of the array is between 1 and 10 to the power 5. So, going through this, I'm just going to go into the notes that I've got here. I'll go into this one. So it's LeetCode 383, or sorry, 347. 347. I'll just write down some notes. So off the top of my head, the way that I was thinking about doing this is sorting the array first of all. So let's say you had an array and it had 1, 3, 2, 6, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, right? And then you were to sort it, you would then have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 7. Let's add another 2 in there. And if you sort it, all of them are going to be grouped together. So what I would do is I would group them like this, and then maybe have some sort of dictionary that counts the occurrences of each. So have the key as 1, and then the occurrences would be like 4, and then the key would be 2, and the occurrences would be 3, for instance. Use a dictionary to store values and their frequencies. Sort array. And then I know that dictionaries are ordered in Python, so you could just order the dictionary by its pair, by its value. Sort on value. Sort dictionary. on value. Take first k elements keys from the dictionary and return them in an array. So I think this is what we're going to do, and I hope this works. So I'm going to take nums here. Nums is equal to sorted nums. Nums. Just going to make sure that this is, pretty sure this is the right function to call. So there we go. That's all going to be grouped together. And then let's think. So for num and nums, so we need to loop through. We also need a dictionary, so nums underscore dictionary. Like that. So if num in nums underscore dictionary, nums underscore dictionary, and then we're going to index into num plus equals, so we're going to increment it by 1. Else nums underscore dictionary is equal to 1. Okay? And then we're going to sort the dictionary. I'm not sure how you do that, so I'm going to Google it. Sort dictionary by value Python. So it looks like it's using a lambda function here. So it's sorting it on x.items. I'm not entirely sure how the lambda function works, but it looks like it's using item 1, which would take, that's taking the value, or the first value of each of the, where is it? Dictionaries preserve order. So this is, I could just copy and paste. I just want to know how it works. So I think here I'm gonna go with the lambda function here. So nums underscore dictionary is equal to this. And then I'm just going to print it. Oh, didn't change this. argument of int is not utterable. In test for the existence of a key in a dictionary. That is what I did, right? If num in num's dictionary. Line 10. I did print one. If num in num's dictionary. Increment it by 1. Int is not iterable. What? Um, for num and nums, is it something to do with the is? Something to do with the if statement, I think. Let's see. Okay. If num in num's dictionary, do this. So it's not throwing an error. Oh, is it here? Num's dictionary. Ah, okay, yeah. I'm not indexing into it properly. So when I run this, it should hopefully have this sorted. So 3 is the least frequent and 1 is the most. Right, okay. Okay. And I think I can do reverse equals true here. Is it capital T? Do I need to put a comma here as well? If I do this, it should be for most frequent, just to make it a bit cleaner. Yes. Can you... or index... index into dictionary Python. I've already googled this apparently. Okay. So it turns out you can just turn it into a list. Let's try that. Nums underscore list is equal to nums underscore dictionary. Cast it to a list. Let's try that. Yep, that looks like it's worked. So we're going to return here, take the first k elements. So it's going to be the numbers list, and we're going to do from 0 up to k plus 1, because the slicing operator does up to but not including, so we also want to include k. So this returned, oh, but wait, yeah, it's 0 indexed, so just 0 to k. Yep, we can take all these print statements out and submit. And yep, that got accepted. I'm happy with that. So I think all that's left is just to go into the roadmap and tick off this question as well. Thank you very much for watching the whole video if you got this far. I hope this helped you in some way, seeing someone else's thought process behind attempting to solve the question. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know, or if you want to discuss it, if you have any other better solution, I love discussing these. So yeah, feel free to leave a comment, and yeah, hope you have a great day.